Okay, guys, this is a bug I found in Google Sheet on November 18. I was summarizing a cell in here in C18. So it's a sum of D18 to K18. Okay, so it's 0, 0, 0, 0, 1667, which is correct because 1667 is J31 divided by 12. So this and this is rounded up to 67. And here it's the sum to K. So all this should be 1666.667. If you look at it here. But it shows like 1816, which is 150 wrong. So if you divide, take minus C to J, it's 150 wrong. So this is Mysterium. I mean, who can you trust if you can't trust Google Sheet? So thank you, guys.